Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save any web page as PDF. So let's get started. So you can navigate to any of the web page you desire. For example, you can see I have searched for HTML syntax and I'm going to open this one, that is W3 Schools. So now this is the web page opened in front of me. Now, if I wish to save this as a PDF, what you can do is simply click on Control and P, and you'll be able to see this web page in the form of PDF right in front of you. And if you're not able to open it through the key combination, you can simply click on the three dots at the top right, scroll down, and you should see the option of print. Simply click on print and you'll be able to see that window open once again. So here you can click on destination and make sure it's selected save as PDF. You can select the number of pages that you wish to print, for example, all, odd pages only, even pages, or even select custom. You can select the layout, for example, portrait or landscape. And then we have some more settings, whether you want paper size to be letter, legal, tabloid, and some other paper sizes. And then we have pages per sheet, whether you want 1 page per sheet or you want 2 pages per sheet. So you can select it the way you want. And after that, we have is margins. You can see that it is locked right now because we have selected 2 pages per sheet. So if you switch back to 1 page per sheet, the margins will be enabled and you can set that. And then we have scaling and some other options such as headers and footers and background graphics. Once you have selected all of these, you can simply click on save and then you're going to navigate to the folder where you wish to save that. So I'm going to go to downloads and save the file as introduction to HTML and then click on save. So to check that, we can navigate to the folder where we just saved that. So we just saved that in downloads. So I'm going to head over to downloads and open it. And right here, you can see that this is the web page that we just saved as PDF. And that is how you can save a web page as PDF. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out. And I'll see you next time.